Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain about another conditional statement called if-else block. See, so what is if-else block and exactly where we use? In the last video, we clearly discussed about if block statement and where we use if-else block. When there are two situations, either or situation, we use if-else block. See here, how can we write the syntax of if-else block? First of all, if we need to specify the condition, and if this condition is valid, then the block of statements execute. Suppose we can say that statements 1. First block of statements execute. If the condition is not valid, if the condition is false, then directly else block execute without checking any condition. Without checking any condition, whenever if condition fails, then directly control will come to the else block. See, how can we understand the flow? How can we understand the flow? Simply start. Here, condition we need to specify. Condition. If the condition is valid, for every condition, two options are there. If it is true, if it is false. If the condition is true, then if block executes. If block statements means statement 1 execute. After that, it will directly come to the end, remaining statements execution. If the condition is a false, directly second block of statements, else block of statements execute. This is the way of writing flowchart for if-else. Now, so exactly where we use, we'll see some examples. Suppose, first one, check the person can vote or not, is the simple example we are going to discuss. How can we decide that the person can vote or not? Based on the age of the person. Suppose, if first we are taking that age, we are not mentioning the age. You can take any age. Suppose if the age is greater than or equals to 18 plus, then we can say that, yes, the person can vote. The person can vote, else the person cannot vote. The person cannot vote. This is the simple way. See, if you want to write only one statement as a block, then no need to specify this block. Only one statement means no need to specify the braces. One more example I'll explain, you will get clarity. I just want to check the number is even number or not. Using the relational operators, already we have written all these conditions. What is the even number? The number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. I'm taking the number int n is equals to some number I have taken. When we can say that even if that number is divisible by 2 when remainder equals to 0, here I am not writing the block. Look at this. Directly I mentioned that statement. If it is single statement, no need to specify the block. No need to represent as a block. Right? If the condition failed, then print it's an odd number or not even number. Anything you can specify. Okay. So this is the simple way of understanding conditional statement if else. This is the syntax. This is the flow, how execute, and these are few examples to understand that flow. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.